Hi friends, this is Katerina from the Evolution of Stitches, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you what you can do if you end up with more chains than you need on your foundation row. This can happen in big projects where you can easily lose count of the chains, but you don't need to worry. You don't need to frog everything that you've crocheted up to the first row. What you can do is to unravel the unnecessary chains, starting from the slip knot where you started creating your chains. It will be easier if you use a tapestry needle or a very small hook. So what you need to do, sometimes if it's not too tight, you can do it just by using your hand, but otherwise what you'll do is to find the slip knot at the beginning and then pull the tail of your yarn through it like this, and now you'll continue doing this. Try to pull your yarn gently. In this way it won't lose its shape. Just try to find where you should unravel your yarn like this, and then as you can see, this yarn goes through this loop, so I'm going to pull it up from here like this, and then again I'm trying to see where this tail leads to, so I am going to pull up the yarn here, and I'll continue in the same way until I have the number of chains that I need for my foundation row. So here again, and I will continue in this way until I get to the end where I have the right number of chains. I hope this tutorial will help you when you crochet extra chains by mistake, in order not to have to frog them. So bye for now, and see you soon in one of my next videos.